let's unbox with you my biggest purchase of 2024. I can't wait to show you guys what this is. So, welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, my name is Betty and we are Betty and Tyler Adventures, and this video today is just me unboxing my favorite purchase for the year, and I'm super excited for it because this is my first time ever owning such a thing. So let me show you guys what I got, and I tell you guys also why I got it, how much it means to me, and also just tell you guys the specs based on all the reviews that I have seen, and hopefully it will be a great purchase. Otherwise I'm gonna return it, so who knows. But thanks guys for tuning in, and let's get to the video. Let's go.
I'm a little closer, I wanna dance with you. Everything's moving slower, I don't know what it is you do. I've been looking at you all night, trying to figure you out. I just wanna make you smile, hold your hand in my hand, looking at the sunset. Man, you're looking good tonight.
And so, in case you're wondering, probably why I'm so official in my channel, is I'm just from work right now, but the package came earlier today, so I was like, let me just record this before I kind of freshen up because I'm just so eager to unpackage this package, and I know once I relax and shower and be ready for the evening, I'll be ready to go. So can you do this? I'd already pulled this, but I haven't unboxed everything. So this is how the package comes in. Are you guys ready to see? Can you guys tell what this is? Look at that, babe. Look at that, babe. MacBook Pro.
The new MacBook Pro to blow through super intense workflows. For multitasking. This laptop display shows all your content with mesmerizing colors, and 6 speakers with spatial audio fill the room with sound. This is MacBook Pro.
The new model, this is MacBook Pro. Let me pull that out. So let me tell you guys, so first of all, the reason I got this. So I have my work laptop, which I use every day basically, but I really don't have a personal laptop to do anything else really, outside of work. Depends, whatever I want to do. I don't have any other laptop. Taylor has, but usually I don't want to use it. But anyway, so I thought to myself, why can't I get, of course I've been budgeting for this because it's kind of a very expensive item. So I was like, okay, let me see what I can do for the end of the year to give myself things like that. So I got a MacBook Pro, and then so I'll read you guys the specs. So if you're trying to get the specs, so I upgraded the memory. So for all the reviews that we saw on the memory is, so there's the unified memory and there's also the SSD storage. So for unified memory, this is pretty much for your efficiency. So if you're probably opening multiple tabs, or maybe you're editing videos, because we're still gonna use this to edit our YouTube videos. So if you need more power and you don't want the videos kind of slagging, things like that, so it's better to have to upgrade on your memory. So the MacBook Pro comes with 8 GB unified memory. So if you want to upgrade to like 16 GB, you have to pay $200 more. So that's what I did. So I upgraded my memory, and of course it's because this is like a long-term purchase, so I'm not planning to buy another MacBook Pro anytime soon. So that's why I was like, okay, let me just do the best that I can, the best that I can afford, so that I'm probably gonna stay this for a while. So that's one of the upgrades. You can consider it. You can Google more stuff about memory and see whether it's worth for you to upgrade. So the other thing that I upgraded was my SSD storage. So this is kind of the storage, and it kind of helps also like with efficiency as well. So it comes with a base of 512 GB, but then I upgraded to 1 TB, 1 terabyte, basically because now I'm editing videos, I need more storage. And one of the things that I regret from my iPhone that I have is I have low storage than what I would love to have. I think I have 256 GB, and I wish I would have more, because usually now I have to like kind of upgrade, I pay like too much for Google storage. Like I don't know, I pay for like 5 terabyte for $25 a month, which is not very efficient. So if it would be like, it would just be great if I got an iPhone that has more storage, which I'll upgrade later. But what I did for my MacBook Pro, I upgraded the storage so that I have like more, but still one of the good things with laptops, of course, you can still have external storage. So the 1 terabyte is just like good, but still you can still have more storage. So for the upgrade, anything that you're upgrading, it's a minimum of $200 for the upgrade. So those are the two things that I upgraded. So it's a 14-inch MacBook Pro, and I only got like the M3 base chip. So there is M3 base chip that I have, and then there is M3 Pro, and there is M3 Pro Max, just the same way we have the iPhones. So as of course the higher you go, the more powerful it is. But from all the reviews that I've read, basically there's no much difference, like from an editing video perspective, if you have M3 or M3 Pro or M3 Max. So I got M3 chip, just the base, and hopefully it works fine. And the other whatever is 8 core CPU, 10 core GPU. My IT tech people, you can describe what that is. The size is 14.2 diagonal. It has liquid retina XDR display. It has 2 Thunderbolts. It has USB 4 ports. So one of the things that is different, so there's MacBook Air and there's MacBook Pro. So the major difference that I was seeing with MacBook Air and MacBook Pro was also the number of kind of ports that you have. So if you're planning like to kind of transfer your storage in to your camera or whatever, but like basically how best you can kind of connect your laptop to other things, or even like external desktop and things like that. So that was one of the differences I was seeing. And also now what it comes with, of course, the MacBook Pro. It comes with a charger, and also it comes with USB-C to MagSafe cable, which basically is a charger. So that's pretty much. So that's kind of the basis of what like I did when I was choosing the laptop. I did a lot of research, but let's unbox it, you guys. So can we do it?
You say you don't wanna get in trouble, that you're doing fine cause you got me. I don't wanna break your little bubble, but you gotta wake up to reality. Cause I can see in your eyes, your head is full of dreams. Tears are a proof of failure, you just gotta let them flow without judge. There's so many ways to be happy. You can do whatever you like, you don't have to be ready. gotta trust the right. Don't have to be scary. You just
I'm unboxing my MacBook Pro 2023 version with M3 chip. Let's go. That's so satisfying. Ooh. Okay. I don't know if I'm doing the right thing. Ooh, my God, I'm so excited. Oh, baby. Oh, gosh. Okay. What should I do here? Wow. This is pretty dope. Oh, God. Okay. Oh, boy. Am I doing this the right way? Ooh. Ooh, okay. I'm probably not. Oh, I teared it up. Okay, 1 second. Okay, yeah, that's how I'm supposed to do it. Alrighty. Oh my God. Okay. I'm so happy. Ooh, okay, and then so this is the laptop. Oh my God. Ooh, I like this. It looks so sleek. This is an expensive purchase. My goodness. Ah! Okay. This is so exciting. Hello. Oh my God. This looks so different from my work laptop. So exciting. Okay, let's see what else it is. Oh, okay, this is the MagSafe, so you can charge these. I like that. And then what is this? Probably just like documentation, probably. Oh, it shows nice stickers. I like this. A charger. I like that it comes with a charger. So usually iPhone no longer comes with a charger, which sucks. But this is cute, nice. I like it. Don't know how I should use it though, but oh, it has the USB-C. Nice. I'm so happy, you guys. I think that's all basically. This is just documents, MagSafe. Then it's kind of packaged in a very nice, like, kind of very protective because it's very tight in here. And then it says hello. Oh gosh, thank you, Jesus. So I'm gonna set this up and then I'm gonna enjoy my laptop. Can you like bring that in to see what's like the setup? Okay, so it first has to
use English as the main language. Press the return key.
Okay. Return. What's going on? Okay, it's loading, guys. And I also bought this straight from Apple, so I know everything is good. It's like 100% new. What am I supposed to do? Accessibility, vision, motor. Just say not now. Select your network. I'll select my network. Alrighty. Okay, so now it's like kind of asks you like how you want to transfer. I don't even have any laptop to transfer anything from a Mac, from Windows. I'll just say not now because I don't know. And then I'll sign up my Apple ID and basically everything. So I don't want to bore you guys with everything, but I'm super excited with my purchase. So I wanted to kind of just record this video to share with you guys and also show you guys what specifications I was like, how I thought about it for me to select the laptop and if you guys are looking to buy. So thanks guys for watching this video. Remember to like, share and subscribe, and see you guys on our next video. Bye guys. I'll enjoy my laptop now.